do something for me? Can you do your
I only keep a family around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money and thing. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, more so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh.
I know you love fucking me. I can tell by the way you in love with me. You can't get enough of me, yeah. Well, I guess it's looking like you stuck with me, 'cause I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make my soul smile. That dick made me so damn proud. Now lay your head down on the pillow. Turn the lights down real low. I want you to say my name. Close your eyes and let your feels go. Now you're getting real close, baby. I am on the way. Now that I've got you right here, I won't let you down. Don't be surprised, baby, it's just me. Don't be surprised, boy, when I bust it wide. I hypnotize you with this. I know you love fucking me. I can tell by the way you in love with me. You can't get enough of me, yeah. Well, I guess it's looking like you stuck with me, 'cause I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make my soul smile. That dick made me so damn proud. Now lay your head down on the pillow. Turn the lights down real low. I want you to say my name. Close your eyes and let your feels go. Now you're getting real close, baby. I am on the way. Now that I've got you right here, I won't let you down. Don't be surprised, baby, it's just me. Don't be surprised, boy, when I bust it wide. I hypnotize you with this.
I'm falling in love, I go in. I really be sipping the lean. I'm never sipping the green. I'm doing no drugs. I'm doing no drugs.
So good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey my girlies. So today is the next day. I'm getting ready for work. I'm not gonna do my makeup today. So look at this bump, like the time of the month. Ponytail. Y'all got really good at doing ponytails. Like when I say in 2023, you're gonna be doing her own hair. The only thing I don't know how to do is braid. That's the only thing. I'm gonna be practicing on that, but I know how to do everything else. This is some human hair because I did one last time. I liked it, the curly ponytail that I did do, but the straight ponytail and synthetic, it got nappy so freaking quick. It's supposed to be in the 70s this week. Starting the new year off good. That is good. Something quick and cute. So there you go. Alright, y'all, so I'm finna get dressed and then I'll be back. So my girlies, I'm giving natural today because it's gonna be a long weekend for you girls. So I just got some leggings on and a crop top shirt that I just tied up. I'm wearing a bra today because what I didn't wear a bra last time, like it's just, it'd be more secure. But yeah, this is the look. I'm finna go ahead and eat some leftovers before I go to with my NARS today. I'm supposed to be taking a picture because I'm gonna be on a flyer we're gonna be having at my job. It is almost in the new year. Y'all excited? I'm really excited for 2023. Like, I already know it's definitely going to be a good year for me. And I'm just excited for it. That's so crazy. Like, I haven't really been using my winter foundations because it's actually not winter here. Like, y'all, 70. Yep, it's 70 today. I'm gonna put me some shorts on today. It's supposed to be in the upper 70s all weekend. This is exactly why I moved down south, because I can't deal with the coast. No, y'all, I just cannot. I hate it. But yeah, it's blending pretty good. We're just gonna add just a little bit more. This is how I like to apply my foundation. Enough room for me to place my concealer, and I'm telling y'all, it's a game changer. While scrolling on TikTok, and then this girl, she was mentioning that basically all her goals that she wrote down for 2022 came true. And that's so true, because I literally did the same thing. I literally wrote my goals. I had a few goals that I wanted to accomplish in 2022. And I did, so it really works. And like, I'm doing that in 2023. Say that life is very short, and I think that we should live life to the fullest, because we're going to die. Like, I don't really want to. I'm so sad that like we living to die, but like it's going to happen one day. We just don't know when. But I feel like in 2023, wherever, even if I'm going through something, I still want to be happy. You know, be positive about it, because being mad all the time, and I'm telling you, it's just gonna make it even worse. I literally learned that lesson. So I just feel like, just even if you're not in a good mood, just still smile, just still be happy. And that's literally what I'm bettering myself as doing as a person. I want to become a better friend, which I am a good friend, but you know, it's definitely more ways to become a better friend, daughter, a better sister, auntie, all of that, better cousin, so I forgot about that. I want to just better myself in every aspect that I can. And everybody, nobody's perfect but God. Everybody has everything that they probably need to change, and like some of my ways I do want to change, and I do want to just be, you know, a better person that I've been to is God. A lot of things in my life, and better when you talk to God and you ask for help, you need guidance about something, or if something not going right, or something is even when it's going good, you know, still talk to God. And that's really what I've been doing. I just have to just find me a church home here, but you know, I'm still new here. I'm eventually find me one, because I definitely miss going to church, and I do be off on Sundays. So it's going to be a long weekend for you. If you guys already know, the new year, we're going to be super busy. But when it be super busy, it's more money for me. So it's like I don't never complain. I think I'm more comfortable with talking on here now, because at first it's so crazy. I was never really talking like that. you grow on YouTube. So I feel like I grew and I interact more with the people that watch my videos and comment on my videos. Into 2023 just being happy, you know. I feel like live the rest of your years. I want to live the rest of my years just being happy, having money, because money is, they say it's the root of all evil. And say money make you happy, which it do, I guess. But in the Bible it talks about money and stuff like that. So, and that's another thing. My mom bought me a Bible and I'm going to make it to use. Like, I'm literally going to read the whole Bible. I'm going to literally try. The days that I'm not working, I really want to read the Bible, and it talks about everything in the Bible, and I'm going to be reading it. So hopefully this year I get a man. I'm tired of being single. That's another thing. But you know, I'm not rushing it. Everything, God's timing is always perfect, always perfect. So I'm not, to be honest, I'm not even really focused on a man. I'm really focused on my bag, which I really been focused on. Oh, this is the wrong color. 3 is gonna be new vibes, new energy, new people in my life that I'm excited for. I'm excited. I really want to have me white friends, like really, because white people be lit. They be fun. Like, and she was so fun last night at work with me, like, for real. Just love it. Love their energy and everything. It's crazy, like, when you die, life still goes on. Like, that is so crazy. I was watching a movie like that and somebody was talking about that, and I was like, it's so true. It is so crazy that when somebody dies, life still goes on. Thinking of random stuff for the new year, because I'm somewhere else and I love it here. Love it here. Literally only start doing my makeup on the weekends now. My manager, he be wanting everybody to do their makeup every time they come to work, but of course I get compliments with my makeup, but like, you know, when you're naturally pretty, when somebody be like, oh, you look so pretty, or you so beautiful without no makeup, like, for real. I'm like, okay, thank God for my mom, because that's who I look like. She's just a dark-skinned version of me. The support down here, like, girls, they be so ready to support you. I love that a lot. And then as soon as you tell them, oh my God, I want to support, can you do my makeup, can I be your model, what type of, and that's another thing. I want to further my makeup business definitely in 2023, beating other girls' faces. It's just so fun. You get to, it's a good place to network. You meet so many different people. I love it. This is literally like the first job I ever had that I love. This job, when I was back home in Michigan, and when I was working at the nursing home almost like 3 years, I was making good money there, but I was working so much overtime. I was working like 16 hours a day. So of course my checks every 2 weeks was, I think I was grossing like 3,000. I was bringing home like 2,300. Yeah, and that's because I was working for it, like overtime. See, this is totally different. It's not hourly, and I'm not working multiple, you know what I'm saying, multiple shifts just to get a nice lump sum to check. And I literally can make half of that in a day, and like, I'm happy about that. And been trusting God. Like, this is one thing. It's okay when people ask questions about, you know, how did you do this and do that, but I feel like don't be all up in my business. That's because I seen the post, like, people will try to communicate with you, get back cool with you or whatever, just to get in your business. And like, one thing about me, nah, I I ain't giving you all the information about. Y'all, my battery is going dead. I gotta change it.
All they ever say is you talking about your life, we are your touchdown. Giving me the signs of a sign now. I hit you up like, you wanna hang right now, hang right now. On the east side, and you know I'm a gang right now. You say do on this right now, this right now. It's after 3 AM, I know that's asking a lot of you right now. All they ever say is come and see me.
Crazy about the Sephora smooth powder. I've been had this years ago, and like I literally see the girlies on TikTok talking about this. I've been using this because it's the best. Like I already had Mitri. Better than MAC. It will give you that smooth finish. Girlies, so I'm done with my makeup. As you can see, put my work fit on. I'm super bloated. Okay, so is this Texas food? Cause your girl, I'm getting lit thick out here. Like I know y'all say it. I hear you. Like for real. Is it the food or what down here? Cause yeah.
So I ain't sticking, no, I ain't sticking around no more. Cause you just wanna play with my heart. I see you with the girl at the party. You think I'm just gonna stand nobody.
Here's my little setup going. I literally had to bring most of all my makeup with me because I know me, I don't never forget nothing. I normally have like most of my stuff packed anyway. So yeah, I'm just setting up all my stuff, and then I'm gonna start on her face, and then you guys see the finished look. Her apartment looks so nice, like so cute. I love it. It's something similar to mine's, but she got more of a white interior. I have like a gray interior. Some wine going on. How much can I eat? So happy Saturday, y'all. It feels so good outside. Y'all see that sun shining? Do y'all see that sun shine? Yes, it feels so good out here. Yes, on my way to do some couple errands. And this the only thing that I hate. Like, do y'all see how close this car is to my car? The parking sucks over here. Oh my god.